This video tutorial explains the 3D LUT function of the CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5IV WR, BM5IV, and BM7II DS models. To use this function, you need to import the LUT file via USB drive. The USB drive must be USB 2.0, no larger than 64 GB, and formatted with either FAT32 or FAT file systems. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap the Add button. Select Color Mixing and click 3D LUT to enable and add this feature. On this page, there are 3 parameters you can adjust. Stored from USB, USB scanning, reset LUT. Click on Stored from USB to view and use the LUTs you've imported as well as the pre-installed LUTs on the monitor. Click on USB scanning, tap the 3D LUT folder. Select your import path to find the target file. Click on it and wait for the progress bar to finish loading. The import will be completed once it's done. Please note that the maximum number of 3D LUTs that can be imported is 20, including the pre-installed LUTs on the monitor. The imported LUT file must be in the cube format, otherwise, the import will fail. Click on Reset LUT to restore the factory default LUT settings. That's all for the introduction to the 3D LUT function of CINENORM series monitors.